the 2026 CMIBGGTA, a modern hyper-GT that blurs the line between classic supercar drama and next-gen performance. Today, we break down the exterior, dive into the cabin, test the numbers, and ask, is this the new benchmark for grand touring? Hook, 012 to 030. Visual, host walking around car in showroom or studio, pointing to key design cues. Host on camera. If you love retro proportions with modern aggression, stick around because the CMIBGGTA is all about theatrical looks and serious pace. Let's begin. Title card, 3 seconds. On-screen text, 2026 CMIBGGTA. Exterior, interior, performance, verdict. Exterior, 033 to 215. Visual, 360-degree exterior pass, slow reveals, front, side, rear, aero elements, wheels, lights, cut to detail shots, headlights, vents, badge, mirrors, host VO. From the front, it's low and wide, a wedge silhouette that nods to 1970s icons but reinterpreted for 2026. The CMIBGGTA's body is built from carbon fiber composite panels over an aluminum carbon hybrid monocoque. That keeps weight down and torsional rigidity high. And yes, the sculpted flanks are functional, feeding air to the rear-mounted radiators and the inboard brakes. On-screen specs callout. Length, width, height, 4,700 mm, 2,030 mm, 1,130 mm, approximately. Wheelbase, 2,700 mm. Curb weight, 1,250 kilograms, dry, estimated. Host on camera, pointing. Notice the active aero. The front splitter drops and the rear wing adjusts for low-drag cruising or high downforce track mode. Hidden in the lower sill are deployable ducts that tune airflow depending on temperature and speed. Wheels are 21-inch front, 22-inch rear, wrapped in bespoke ultra-high-performance rubber. Visual, close-up of lighting. Host, VO. Lighting uses matrix LED with adaptive cornering beams and a signature daytime graphic that frames the CMIBGGTA badge, a modern take on classic symmetry. Interior, 2:15 to 4 o'clock. Visual, doors open, butterfly or dihedral, choose one. Shots of cockpit, seats, dash, infotainment, steering wheel, center console. Host on camera, stepping inside. The cabin is where GT comfort meets driver focus. The CMIBGGTA uses a 2+2 layout. Rear seats are compact but usable for short trips. Primary materials are Alcantara, exposed carbon, and brushed titanium accents. Host VO, plus insert shots. Driver ergonomics are spot on. A flat-bottom steering wheel with integrated drive mode paddles, a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, and a 14.5-inch portrait infotainment screen with haptic feedback. HVAC vents are low profile. The center tunnel houses a tactile rotary for traction and suspension settings. On-screen features list. Seats. Carbon fiber shell sport seats, 8-way power, heating, ventilation, optional massage. Infotainment, 14.5 touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates. Sound, optional 16-speaker premium audio with active noise cancellation. Driver assists, adaptive cruise, lane keep, 360 camera, customizable track assist modes. Host on camera, closing door. Despite its performance focus, insulation is surprisingly good. Long-distance cruising at 140 to 160 km/h remains composed and quiet when you want it to be. Performance, 4 o'clock to 6:30. Visual, startup, exhaust crackles, car accelerating on a test road or track. Telemetry overlays, 0 to 60, lap time, engine bay shots. Host VO. Now the important part, what's under the skin? The 2026 CMIBGGTA pairs a twin-turbocharged 4-liter V8 with a 120-kilowatt electric boost module. Together, they produce 1,000 PS, 736 kilowatt, and 1,200 newtons of peak torque in overboost. Power goes to all four wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and an active torque vectoring rear differential. On-screen performance metrics. Combined power, 1,000 PS, 736 kilowatt. Torque, 1,200 newtons high. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 2.5 seconds. Claimed. Top speed, 350 kilometers an hour, electronically limited. 0 to 200 kilometers, 7.6 seconds. Brakes, carbon ceramic discs, 6-piston front calipers, 4-piston rear. Host on camera after a drive clip. The electric module isn't just for launch. It smooths low-end response and helps fill torque while the turbos spool, so throttle feel is instant. The adaptive suspension provides a wide range, soft GT for highways, ultra-firm track for circuits. Despite its grand touring ambitions, it's remarkably agile. Steering is quick, communicative, and the chassis remains composed under heavy braking. Visual, thermals, airflow adjustments, active aero adjustments, graphics, battery or hybrid system diagrams as overlay. Host, VO. Range in hybrid mode depends on usage. EV-only city driving yields roughly 50 to 70 kilometers. Combined WLTP style estimate for mixed driving is around 700 to 850 kilometers, thanks to a relatively efficient combustion platform paired with aerodynamic efficiency. Practicalities and pricing, $630 to $715. Visual, cutaways to trunk space, charging port, owner's manual, key fob. Host on camera. Owners get a modest luggage area, 2 carry-on suitcases in the front trunk, and room for smaller items behind the seats. There's fast charging support for the battery and a concierge ownership package that includes maintenance and performance calibration. On screen, estimated price $520,000 to $750,000. Limited run, options push price up. Production, limited series, 250 units, with bespoke customization available. Conclusion, verdict, 7:15 to 8 o'clock. Visual, montage, driving shots, interior close-ups, exterior hero shot at sunset. Host on camera, summarizing. The 2026 CMIBGGTA is an ambitious car, equal parts theatrical design and cutting-edge hybrid performance. It's not the lightest or cheapest in its class, but it offers a unique emotional package, retro-inspired styling with modern tech and blistering pace. Host, VO. Pros, head-turning design, exceptional hybrid powertrain, balanced chassis, boutique exclusivity. Cons, limited practicality, high price, and service network will be limited compared to mainstream supercar brands. Outro, call to action, 8:01 to 8:15. Host on camera. Which part of the CMIBGGTA impressed you most? The style, the hybrid power, or something else? Drop a comment below, smash that like button if you enjoyed the tour, and subscribe for more deep dives like this. See you in the next one. Visual, end card with channel logo, recommended videos, subscribe button. Music, outro beat fades out. Optional, for description box. Short spec summary, copy-paste. Model, 2026 CMIBGGTA. Power, 1,000 PS combined. Torque, 1,200 newtons high. Drivetrain, AWD, 7-speed DCT. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 2.5 seconds. Claimed. Top speed, 350 kilometers an hour, a limited. Curb weight, 1,250 kilograms. Price, Bapin, $520,000 to $750,000. Production, limited, approximately 250 units. Suggested tags, CMIBGGTA, 2026 Hyper GT, Hybrid Supercar, Car Review, Exotic Cars.